And how'd I get way down here and all this?
Fat boy should be finishing up any time now. Talk about a recluse. He only comes out once a year, and he never catches any flock for it. Probably lives up there to avoid the taxes. Merry Christmas! Oopsie. Forgot about the reindeer.
Did that stop the old Grinch? No. The Grinch simply said,
If I can't find a reindeer, I'll make one instead. Oh, Max!
So he called his dog Max. Then he took some red thread and tied a big horn on top of his head.
All right. You're a reindeer. Here's your motivation. Your name was Rudolph. You're a freak with a red nose and nobody likes you. Then one day, Santa picks you and you save Christmas. Now forget that part. We'll improvise. Just keep it kind of loosey-goosey. You hate Christmas. You're gonna steal it. Saving Christmas was a lousy ending. Way too commercial. Action! Brilliant! You reject your own nose because it represents the glitter of commercialism. Why didn't I think of that? Cut, print, check the gate, moving on.